Hello and welcome to the next episode of my SkillTracker walkthrough series, a series where I walk through how to use my app SkillTracker and the different features within it. So let's get started. If you don't know, this is an app that lets you track your skills and their hours over time, as well as your reasons, your momentum, lots of different cool little features. Anyways, let's get into it. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about leveling up. And this is pretty simple, but we're just going to talk about sort of the different things that happen when you do level up. So down here on glass blowing, let's say I make it to an hour. Wow, I've reached level 2. Yeah, level 2. So it'll show an achievement, and if you tap on it, it'll take you to that achievement if you ranked it up. And then, yeah, I'll tell you what level you reached. It'll show you a picture of that skill. Sometimes this middle message right here is for specific milestones. So this won't always be here, and it'll be different when it is there for different levels. And then down here, this third element, sometimes it'll be there, sometimes it won't. When it is either going to be an inspirational quote or message, or it's going to be a joke. So you really don't know what you're going to get. This one, I refuse to believe my road worker father was stealing from his job. But when I got home, all the signs were there. So clearly a joke, because your road worker, he took like street signs. I'm explaining it to you as if you didn't understand, but I'm sure that you did. But yeah, anyways, enormous list of quotes and jokes to pull from, so I don't know if you'll ever see all of them. With the amount of times you level up, some of them are pretty crazy. So you're either going to be like, oh, that's kind of inspiring, or you'll be like, wow, why? So yeah, each time you level up, that will happen at random. See, if I get to level 3, then there are exactly as many special occasions in life as we choose to celebrate. Kind of inspirational, definitely not a joke. That's true. So obviously when you level up, there's also the thing that if you get an achievement, it will scroll down from the top. Confetti will happen. If you tap on it, it'll go to it, show you more about it. If you get an achievement to the max, there'll be an even cooler sound effect. So honestly, have your sounds turned on a lot, because it's pretty rewarding to hear a lot of this. That is the basics of leveling up. I know, super short video. The last thing is that you can unlock secret tunnel stones. If you want to see what that looks like, then go to the episode where I talk about the global charts / global data. In that episode, I will show you an example of what it actually looks like to get a secret tunnel stone, if you want to see that. So good luck. And you'll see there's also a different sound effect every 5th level, more like Duolingo style sounds there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Oh look, there's a little stray confetti in the corner. So cute. All right, bye.